Hey everybody. So we are doing a super cheap, super easy meal tonight, patty melts. I've already cooked the hamburgers. I have some sliced cheese. I'm buttering some bread. This is Texas toast type white bread. You can use any kind of bread. I just had a sneezing fit, so excuse me. Put that down. Put our burger on there. My husband wants cheddar. So I'm going to put a piece of cheddar on there. You can add a sauce or mayonnaise or mustard, anything you want. You can do like a hamburger sauce. Butter the other one, and then he's going to have it with chips and a pickle. Doesn't get much easier than this. I just simply seasoned the meat with those things over there. You can season it however you like. Was that one of the dog's stomachs? I don't think it was mine. You can save your butter wrappers to butter casserole dishes, things like that. When you need to grease something, I just put them in a baggie in the fridge. And I'm gonna have, because I think a burger has to have American cheese if you're doing a cheeseburger, but that's just me. So American cheese on mine. Butter my other side of my bread. This butter got really warm on the stove. See, when that happens, that's a lot of butter. So use it to grease your cake pans or whatever. And if you wanted to really make these yummy, turn it into garlic bread. Put some garlic powder on there, some of that Parmesan cheese, Kraft. That makes it really yummy. So we're just going to cook these. You want it on a medium-low heat. You don't want to cook too high a heat because you won't get that nice golden crust on your toast. So medium-low, let it go until it's golden brown. Flip it over, and you got dinner. That probably cost $1.50 a person compared to going to a restaurant. Not even $2, probably with the pickle and the chips. So I offered him French fries. I was going to fry up some potatoes into French fries, but he said nah. So I'll be back when we're flipping these over. And there it is. And do you see how golden brown those are? Can you see that? That's why you do them at just a medium-low heat. And be patient. See? Can Can you hear that? Nice, crispy. Yep, that's what you want. That's what makes it Bodemus. Same with the grilled cheese. Do it the same way. And you can use mayonnaise instead of butter if you want when you do that part, grilling. So, yeah. So, when this is ready, we'll plate it and cut it in half. If it's not too smoking hot, I'll take a bite. My tongue's already burnt, so. So here we go. And you could make grilled onions, whatever you want. This is a great alternative if you don't have lettuce and tomato and all the fixings for a regular burger. This is a patty melt. They're really good on a marble rye. Oh, that's really good. See, look at that. And it's hot. It's really hot. Do you hear that crunch? That is what you want. So there we have it. I gotta make another one for his lunch tomorrow at work. And then eat. Or maybe I'll eat and then make it. Yeah. That's what I'll do. You can make a hamburger sauce with relish, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise. It's like your Big Mac sauce. Put it inside or dip it in. The sky's the limit on what you do with your patty melt. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up really help the channel because people can't find me. So if I have some interaction, it helps. And stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.